Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. Secant of x equals to 1 over cosine x and tan x equals to sin x over cosine x. So this one I will put in here. Tan x we change by this one. So cosine x we simplify. And this one we have cosecant of x. The integration of this one we have negative ln of the absolute value of cosecant of x plus cotang x, and I will put about c. Question number 2. We have the formula in here. Cosecant of x we have 1 over sin x. Cotang x we have cosine x over sin x. So this one I will put in here. Cotang x we change by this one. Sin x we simplify. And this one we have secant of x. The integration of this one we have ln of the absolute value of secant of x plus tan x, and I will put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.